First thing you want to do is display confident body language, bro. Girls gonna turn their head like, oh, who is that? They can sense this level. When you walk into a room, bro, and you know what I'm saying, your chest up, your shoulders back, like you walk in, making eye contact with people gonna be like noticing you more. Girls gonna turn their head like, oh, who is that? They can sense this level of confidence in yourself. They can tell by the way you even sit down, right? You know what I'm saying? You sitting down, you know, man spreading a little bit, you know, leaning back in your chair. She could tell that you got confidence. She could tell like, oh, I know he's something, like, but not in a bad way, but in a way that you're assured yourself. When you have open body language, more people are open to want to talk to you. Because, you know what I'm saying, you're wide available. You're not turned to the side, you over here, standing holding your ground. But when you have closed body language, you know what I'm saying, your shoulders hunched, you looking at the ground, it's harder for people to want to approach you because you don't look approachable. You literally look closed off. And it's going to be a lot less attractive to women. Okay? Not even gonna lie to y'all boys. Next thing you have to do is become the proof. You want to work hard to the point where you don't gotta tell a girl what you got going on. They know. The problem is guys want to convince. They want to talk their way into girls liking them. Oh, I got this going on. Oh, I make this much money. I got this. Stop it, bro. Because if you really doing what you got to do, she gonna know what you got going on. She like, oh yeah, I seen that you do this. Oh, I see that you a good athlete. Oh, I see that you make money. Like, she gonna know your status, because your status comes from what? The work you put in. So if anything, you need to let your work speak for itself, bro. They gonna sense that energy that's different from all the regular guys, all the guys that's flexing their little watches that they got from, you know what I'm saying? Like, the next way to attract women without saying anything is to have a good skincare routine. A good skincare routine makes your facial features more striking, makes you glow more, makes you just stand out more than when your face is kind of glossy, you got pimples. Lowers your grade in your face, like you're not as handsome as you can be. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, for most of my life, I wasn't doing skincare routines. I wasn't hip to that until like literally this year, I started doing them. Like, you know what, why not? You know what I'm saying? I started doing my skincare routine like once in the morning, once at night, and like over time, after like 2 months, girls start coming up approaching me like, oh my God, your skin's like clear. Like, I like your skin. What's your skincare routine? I'm, shoot, you know, talk to them. I'm getting more girls approaching me, more girls are attracted to me by the simple fact that I'm keeping my skin clear. It makes your facial features strike more. It makes your overall appearance enhanced. Even if you're a decent looking guy, you got a chance to be even better looking than you even think. And if you're not so attractive, get your skincare right. I'm promising that's a good little point for you. The next thing you want to do is act like you don't see her. And y'all, I ain't saying if she right in front of you, ignore like she's not there, bro. Obviously you're gonna acknowledge her, but don't overly put so much attention into her presence. So, you know, your guys, your friends, they see a cute girl, they just gawk staring at her. Oh bro, she's fine, bro. She's so fine, bro. You don't want to do that, bro, because bro, automatically she knows. She like, oh, this guy's staring at me, he want me. Oh, this guy's staring at me, oh, he like me. Oh, he like me. Oh, I know, I got all of them like this. But there's just one guy, and he may look over for a second, but he focused on his business. He chatting with his friends. He having a good time. He's not just staring at the girl. He not looking back and forth, double taking the girl. He's chilling. That's the guy you want to be. Another reason you should ignore the women is because they'll wonder, like, why is this guy not looking at me and staring at me like every other guy? It's going to make her kind of question, like, does this guy not think I'm pretty? Does this guy not think I'm that girl? Like, what's going on? Because that's ultimately what's going to attract her to you without you having to say anything to her. The next thing that help you attract women without saying anything is being able to dress well. It's about the combinations. It's not always about the brands, you know, Supreme, Off-White. All those can be cool, but you don't want the outfit to wear you. You want to wear the outfit. So first you want to make sure it fits well. You want to make sure the t-shirt, you know, even this shirt right here is kind of like semi-slim fit tight on me, but it's not squeezing the circulation out of my arms either. Right? And you also want to go for something that's affordable. You can go to H&M, Zoomies, Forever 21. I done found plenty of good fits from there all the time. And guess what? Girls are still attracted to me. They're not just going up to you like, oh, well, that shirt's from H&M, so I'm not attracted to you. No, the fit still look good. Girls still gonna compliment your fit, bro. Don't get wrapped up on price tags. There's plenty of affordable things that you definitely should consider. The next way you can attract women without speaking to them is to stay low key. By this, I mean, try not to speak so much on what you feeling about things. Don't be on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, tweeting your every thought or feeling about something that's going on. You want her to want to get to know you. And she only gonna want this if she don't know a lot about you. If she know a lot about you, there's not much of a point of her wanting to get to know you because she already sees everything she needs to see every single day. And a bonus tip for y'all boys on how you can attract women without saying anything is you have to have a glow up. And if you want to figure out how you can glow up as a guy this summer, click on this video I made right here. And hey, I'm gonna see you in that next video, bro. All right, I'm gonna catch you.